All right, guys, so after a very long vocabulary list on 9.4, we can now practice all of those definitions and theorems, okay? So I'm giving here example number 1, use the given vectors below two parts. A, vector u, take away 2 times vector v plus vector w, and b, 3 times vector u. Now, I have drawn on here 3 vectors for the sake of simplicity. We will start here at the corner and we will end here. That's W. And then V, we will start here at this edge and we will end right there. Similarly with U, we will start right there and we will end right there. Okay, so as you know already, when you're adding and subtracting vectors or multiplying vector, you can start it at anywhere. But it's just easiest to start out at the origin. As you can see here, I can technically draw the x and y coordinate anywhere on that given grid, but I'm just going to draw it right there. I'm going to do for both. How about that? Okay. So both of these problems, we will use quadrant 1. Okay, so I will start right there. So it says u, vector u is where you want to start. And again, you can start anywhere. You can start at the origin and go down. You can start here at the top and go up. You can start somewhere in between, just like there. Now, how do we draw it over again? Vector u, we're going to count 1, 2, 3 boxes down and 3 boxes to the right. So if I started right there, I'm going to count 3 down and 3 to the right, make the other dot. And remember, it is important to show the direction of your vector. Now that's just vector u. Now we have to minus 2 times vector v. Well, vector v is just horizontal and 3 units to the right, but minus means now we're going to go to the left, right? So 1 and 2. We're going to end right there. That's 2 times vector v. Now we will add vector w. Well, because it is an addition, we will go exactly the same way that the given vector w is going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 up, 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 to the right. So we're going to go up 7 and right 7. So this is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 up is right there. And then 7 to the right is, I'm going to estimate this. So that's 2, right? And is that 2? I want to make sure. Hold on, give me a second. Earlier vector v was 3, so that's already 3. And that's 1, so that's 1. My bad. Okay, sorry, I didn't see it earlier. So that's from here to here is going to be 1 unit. Here to here, it's kind of a big 1 unit. And then just count 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my 7th. Okay, now when we're adding and subtracting, it's very important to start where the last vector ended. So because I ended right there, I will start where it ended, and that's just the work. Okay, I'm going to erase all these work dot right here. That's just the work. Now, what's the final answer vector? The final answer vector is where you started, which is right there, and where you ended, it's right here. So that's where that is right there. So this red vector is the final answer. That's vector u minus 2 vector w, 2 minus 2 vector v and an addition of vector w. Again, the final resulting vector is where you started and where you ended. Okay, let's try it again on this right side. It said, okay, well, I just want you to multiply 3 times u. Well, there's no addition, there's no subtraction, it's just a multiplication. So we are going to take u. I know u is going downwards. I'm not going to start at the origin because then I would be in quadrant number 4, in which I've already drawn out quadrant number 1. Then I'm just going to start up here somewhere. That's where I'm starting. Okay, and remember we were counting down 3, right 3. So now I'm going to count down 9, right 9. This is a 10 by 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go all the way down 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Never mind, it's not a 10 by 10. It's, what is this? It's 15 by 15. So that's a 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So there's my 3 times vector u. Now it has to go in the same exact direction as the original. So there you go. So this is 3u, just like that.